everybody, welcome to A Joyful Traveler. My name is Tressa, and in this video I'm going to show you how I set up an electrical system in my little Nissan pickup truck. It's a 6-foot by 4.5-foot cab, and in this little next clip of the video I'll show you how I took her to the shop. Fun. So why do we need an electrical system in a 6-foot by 4.5-foot truck? Well, because I like to charge my batteries on my laptop, the batteries on my camera, the batteries on my telephone. I like to have lights. I like to be able to use a rice cooker and charge my electrical water system. Anything that you could think of that would need electricity, and it can use 400-watt inverter. So in this next clip I'll show you how we did it. Please like my video and hit that little subscribe button, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you more videos like this as we go along. Thank you for watching. Please watch this little clip now. Watch to the end. It's kind of cool.